2023 Topps Chrome F1 Hobby, 6 boxes. Pick your color. Number 38. This is the second half of the case. 39 and 40, a fresh case are in the store. We got a filler going for the last 3 spots. Fuchsia Lava, Purple Refractor, and Refractor Non-Auto. This makes no sense to me. Why are the Fuchsia Lava and the Purple Refractor the last 2 spots to go with the Refractor? That's like 3 of the better spots in this break. The Purple Refractor and the Fuchsia Lava always hit. If you get like 1 Piastri in either of those spots, you instantly profit. It makes no sense to me. '20th spot, 2 for 35. Top spot's going to get the Refractor Non-Auto spot, which gets a lot of love. And then Purple Refractor and Fuchsia Lava Refractor will go to 2nd and 3rd place. If anybody wants any of these spots, let me know. Otherwise, we're just going to open the packs and we'll hang out. Good luck, everybody. Pop Century, Leaf Metal Pop Century is in the store. I just added it. It's filling up quickly. All right, I'll take it, Cuddy, just to get it to go. Give me a second. Let me open these packs. They're both good spots. That's a good deal. Refractor Non-Auto is the last spot left. The first half was good, I think. The first half had a Max Verstappen hidden gem. You got it, North Cal. Thank you, sir. And just like that, we were doing our wonderful first break of the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It is, PD. I mean, I can't sit here and not open packs. It's tilting. The NASCAR Racing number 16 3-boxer is the last 3 boxes of the case. That's very close. Should be the next break. Leaf Metal Pop Century will also go. Disney is close. We're just gonna get on a roll here. We're like a snowball going downhill. We're going to go on a roll. a second. Slash like Crazy Eddie, right, Cuddy? Price has got to be slash, 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 slash. It's Crazy Eddie, 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 Eddie. You guys remember Crazy Eddie? Was Crazy Eddie just an East Coast thing? Because I'm from New York. Or was Crazy Eddie across the whole country? But the same question applies for Miss Cleo. Miss Cleo, hey. Was Miss Cleo countrywide or was she East Coast only? Alright, so that probably countrywide, Cuddy. I feel like Miss Cleo was countrywide. She was big. Miss Cleo was good at what she did. Imagine if social media existed back when, like, Crazy Eddie and Miss Cleo were on the map. Oh, my God. I couldn't even fathom what they would be doing on social media. We're in such a unique time. It's true, Cuddy, but we're in such a unique time when it comes to social media and all this crazy technological, just the boom. What's up, Mark? You know what's interesting about social media is that, like, right now we're in a unique time period where, like, people that were famous before social media existed are exploiting social media and using it to their advantage. But in like 40 years, 30 years, everybody that's on social media will only be famous from social media.
Yeah.
They won't be famous from movies and they're just going to be famous from social media. All of these talentless nobodies on the social media, they're going to be famous like Mr. Beast. Like, you know, he wasn't like an actor and, you know, whatever. He's famous from social media.
Right.
They're all going to be like Mr. Beast. Right?
Yeah.
We're getting there. How you feeling, by the way?
Not bad.
Good. You have more of that Pop Century or no?
I have one more case.
Save it for me. I'll take it.
Okay.
100%. I'll take any other Pop Century stuff you could find too.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I have to watch that Left Right. I've never seen it. I didn't even know it existed. Ooh, that's a good color. That's a good color. Hey, it's Miss Cleo. I just like the way she says it. I can't even regurgitate it the same way, but where's the documentary? Is it on Netflix? Pop Century's already halfway full, guys. I put it in there for a very good price. I don't know about that Left Right because Hollywood's never gonna, it's not gonna be what it used to be. Because Netflix can go make a bunch of movies and shows for like $2 million. Hollywood has to go spend hundreds of millions to make it. They don't have, you know, like, there's no reason to pay a Tom Cruise anymore, in my opinion. You don't need to. I would have agreed with you a few years ago, but I just feel like the world is changing because of the social media stuff. I think COVID, I think the pandemic really was such a major, massive, gargantuan setback for Hollywood. That's just my opinion, obviously, but I do think that the pandemic just destroyed Hollywood. I'm with you. It doesn't mean it's quality. That's exactly right, Cuddy. That's exactly what I was just saying to Mark. That's basically what I was just saying to Mark. These talentless nobodies who don't even have real names. Sydney, Sweeney, whatever her name is. These are not even real people. Mr. Beast. They're not even real people. They're just Ice Spice. Like, who the hell is Ice Spice? They're all talentless nobodies. With unlimited money. And on that note, let's show cards of the opposite of that. Of some gentlemen with some tremendous talent and physical prowess. Some impressive athletes, some F1 and F2 drivers here in PYC number 38. Let's go. Let's get it. Good luck. Here we go. We're off to the races. Although we're going to zoom, zoom, zoom. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. Whoa, zoom. Zoom. Valtteri purple checkered. Ooh, what is this? Gold and perp of Carlos Sainz. Refractor of Verstappen. The last spot on the board, that refractor spot. Hot pink, excuse me, to 75. Of Brad Benavides to 75 there on the hot pink. Refractor of Duhan. Purple of Verstappen celebrating his win in Hungary to 399. Green. Green non-auto award winner of Red Bull Racing. 49 of 99. Looks like our boy Verstappen. I gotta get some boxes here. Honestly, left, right, I kind of agree with you, but I'm frightened to answer that question because my answer is not the one that you're hoping it is. But I think you also agree with me on that. Sadly, I think that they want the boo-boo. That's it. I think intelligence is at an all-time low. I think gambling is at an all-time high. I think Hollywood is in the dumpster. I think TV and streaming services are king. I'll never forget what I'll never forget the quote I heard when they interviewed the guy who's in charge of Netflix, the CEO of Netflix. On national television, they asked him what his number one competitor was. Now, you guys ever see that? They asked the CEO of Netflix, who's your number one competitor? And you know what his answer was? Sleep. He says, who's your biggest competition? He said, sleep. There's Piastri, the freshest. Let me zoom out for just a little bit here. A little too far there. Piastri, the freshest on the unnumbered checkered. Our first auto, Roman Stanek, the F2 driver. I prefer Disney Chrome. That looks like a variation. Is it? It is. It is. You see, I knew it. I even said this. I freaking called it. I said we're going to hit a variation in this half because we hit the hidden gem in the first half. Although I'm allergic to the chrome dust. Hold on. I'm in love with the cocoa. This is a really good hit. Refractor non-auto for North Cal Aussie. Let's go, dude. Verstappen variation, bro. Numero uno. If it sits, it hits is right. I knew it was going to hit too. I said it was going to hit a variation. I straight up called it. Nice hit, bro. The variations are great, and they're not that easy to hit. Excellent hit. I agree with that, Cuddy, wholeheartedly. Checo on the refractor. Oh, orange wave of George Russell. Wow. Mr. Patronus. Orange wave non-auto. Who's got the orange wave spot? 3 out of 25 here. Orange wave. The Pooch. The Pooch. Box number 2. Let's get it. Refractor of Dennis Hauger. Refractor of Hauger again, but his profile picture. There's a Piastri. Hot Lava of Verstappen to 250. That was the next to last spot there. Purple and green of Vassar. Perez there on the mini diamond and Verstappen on the purple checkered. Celebration time. Come on. Down, 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 down. That is a really hard hit. I don't think you guys realize how hard of a hit that is. Do you guys know? Do you guys know? There's a little bit of chrome dust on the middle there. I can't get the chrome dust off. You'll have to, see if I can, no. Chrome dust doesn't want to come off. But that's okay. Gorgeous hit. Logan Sargent on a gold non-auto. Turn up the lights. Gold non-auto to Yanni. The rookie turn up the lights to 50 on the gold non-auto for our guy Yanni. That's a big card. This is only the second turn up the lights I've ever hit. That is a really hard hit. Excellent hit, Yanni. Congrats, bro. That is a really hard hit. That is a really hard hit. Gold turn up the lights rookie of Logan Sargent for our guy Yanni. I've only hit one other turn up the lights. That's only our second one, dude. Really tough hit, bro. Well, they don't know anything anymore because the times have changed left, right? You know what I mean? It's just a matter of time before somebody like Mr. Beast gets hired as a CEO for one of those social media companies or something like that, you know. A purple of Nico the Hulkenberg. Piastri, he's the freshest. Bruno, we don't talk about him, but he's purple or unnumbered and checkered in that card. Refractor auto of Arthur Leclerc, Charles's brother. Second auto, and we're only through 2 boxes now of this half. There's Piastri. We like Piastri. I see some very interesting color coming up. Let's see what we've got here. Purple and green of Nick DeVries. Yuki on the refractor. Hot Lava of Sebastian Vettel to 250. Aqua Wave of Richard Versher. That's to 150. And then an orange and red of Sebastian Vettel. So some interesting color in that handful there. There's Pop Century in the store, 2022 Pop Century. We're very cheap on it. It's flying in the store. I priced it very low for you guys. We can get one more case of it. Mini diamond of Charles Leclerc now. Refractor of Enzo Fittipaldi. Darivala, don't jump. What is this? Oh, a golden camber. Say it ain't so. Of Senna, the legend. Wow. That is also a tough hit. Wow, the gold non-auto spot is just doing work here for Yanni. The gold non-auto spot is doing work. 8 of 50 of Senna. Yanni is on a freaking roll here. Refractor of Verstappen. Purple of Sergio. Nice. Portrait picture of Sergio on the perp. That's a good card for the purple spot. It's definitely at left, right. Checkered of Sergio, and then Verscher on the portrait. Halfway. Let's keep going. Refractor of Verstappen on the celebration of Italy. Mini diamond of Verstappen, and a refractor of the same. Nick DeVries unnumbered purple checker. There's the Hulk on his refractor portrait. Charles Leclerc purple portrait. Purple spot is doing well now. That's 2 good cards. Piastri on the base. So you got the Nico. You got a few good cards now for the purple spot. It's always good when you get the portraits. It doesn't matter even who it is sometimes, but just to get any portrait cards for your color spot is a good hit. Purple spot doing well. Henny! The portraits are not a variation, no. Henny, bro, I've missed you. I hope you're doing well, man. I've been, thinking about you. Fantasy's coming up. Hope you're doing well, Henny. Hope you and the family are excellent. Much love. It's nice to see you. You're joining the league, right? Henny, trust me, I know. Ready? I'm gonna send you, Henny. I'm gonna send you something. Ready? Watch this. Henny, I'm sending it to you right now. Oh, I don't have your thing. Hold on. Check your Instagram in 2 seconds, Henny. You see, I know, Henny. Well, check your Instagram, Henny. Look what I sent back her. The moment I saw it, I sent him those messages. I know. I know, Henny. I know the rules. Piastri, he's the freshest. You see? Verstappen on the lava, Zhu on a dinged up refractor there. Purple and green of Sergio. And Charles on the refractor. Wow. Congrats in advance, Henny. Best of luck. Very a little jealous. Aqua Wave of Charles to 150. Mini Diamond of Charles. Bunch of good portrait cards. Congratulations, early Henny. Henny, do you want to join the Fantasy League? I obviously there's a spot for you. I'm doing a very unique league. I don't know if you saw how I'm doing it this year, but I feel like you should join regardless. Wow, Cuddy, congrats, bro. I'm jealous of both of you guys. You don't want to join. Henny, do you even know how I'm doing my league? You would join if you knew how I was doing my league. I'm quite confident. My league is basically like best ball. I'll waste 8 seconds of everybody's time and I'll explain it to you while I open some top loaders. Henny, what I'm doing is I added roster spots. So there's like one extra outfielder spot. There's an infielder spot. There's 5 starting pitcher spots, 3 relief pitcher spots. There's no bench. There's no transactions. There's no trades. There's nothing. Once you draft your team, you're done for the year. It's head-to-head with a few extra starting spots. This way, if somebody gets hurt, it doesn't damage your team quite as much. It's head-to-head, standard 5x5. It's exactly. You draft and you're done for the year. Then you just watch. You watch the rest of the year. 0, nothing, anything. Nobody does anything the whole year. You draft your team and you are done. Done, done, done. I did that because you can't create best ball anywhere. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this? Hold on. Constructor's Crest. Nice. To 199, Cognizant Formula 1, Aramco. Aston Martin, baby. To 199 on the crest. About time, Trey. We didn't hit any Constructor's Crest in the first half, so Art de Grand Prix and Constructor's Crest were due in this half. Nice hit there. I just think it's simple when you just draft and you're done, and that's it. There's no best ball. There's no place to create a best ball, a private best ball league. They don't allow that yet. So green, Verstappen, nice celebration. So this was the closest I could get to creating a best ball league, you know? It's not that easy though, Henny. You have to time it perfectly. Piastri, Refractor, Freshest. You have to time it perfectly. It's asking too much. Stella on the purple checkered and wow. 2 variations, Aussie. 1 6-box break and you got 2 variations, bro. This Valtteri is a variation. The car variation. That is nice. Hard, bro. 2 variations in 1 break. You did outstanding with the spot. Checkered of Kush. There's Zhu on the Portrait Refractor. Saints. Purple Portrait. The purple spot did amazing. This is one of the best breaks I've ever seen the purple spot have. Refractor of Verstappen. Mini Diamond of the Hulk. Pierre Gasly. Refractor. Whoa, 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 whoa. Trying to slide right by me there, Valtteri. Golden purple. Bersher on the refractor. And there's 1 box left. Let me sleeve up those cards. Yeah, that's the refractor non-auto spot is doing well per usual. The purple spot is absolutely killing it. The gold non-auto spot for Yanni is crushing. Ha ha ha. Henny, I knew that you would appreciate that. I'm not Asian, but I do understand some of the traditions and the culture. And you have to respect it, you know? Like, people are very specific. I'll never forget this. When I was in college, I took a class on wines of the world, and like the question was like, if you're bringing a gift of wine over to a friend's house, which wine would you bring? And like somebody said like they would bring like Yellowtail. And then the professor was like, I hope you're not bringing that to an Asian household, you know? Because there's like certain colors that I guess you don't like. Yellow, I guess, is a bad one. Like you don't want to give right? Or something like that? Is that right, Henny? Yellow is a bad color, right? You don't give gift of yellow? Something like that. I vaguely remember that. I mean, we're talking over 20 years ago is when they told me this. But Refractor of Piastri, nice. Yellow and red, right? Yeah. Legend Purple of Mansell, nice. Bruno, we don't talk about him. Refractor. There's Yuki, the refractor as well. I thought it was yellow, but I don't remember which it was. Purple of Vassar. Hot Lava of Verstappen. Is it? I agree. The reds are usually pretty good. Well, that I know, Bullwinkle, but I'm talking about the color of like a gift. There's like a color that's disrespectful. Valtteri on the 7 to 75. Maybe I have it wrong. Verstappen on the unnumbered checkered. Gold. We have a gold here. Oh, a gold auto. True. A Verscher. Gold refractor autograph for Sherlock of Richard Verscher. We take it, Chris. We take it. Better than nothing. Richard Verscher on the True Gold ink. Purple and green, excuse me, of Charles Leclerc. An Aqua Wave of Russell to close it out. Yeah. That's true. That's true, left, right. I actually think I met the guy who owns that company. He spoke at our class one time. Upstate New York. What's up, Sean? Laguna Beach. Are you really a sommelier? That's awesome. Many years ago, after I took that class, Mr. Left Right, I actually was a TA for that class. Wines of the World in Rochester Institute of Technology. And then I transferred to NYU. Hold on. Let me get some top loaders here. I went to school for hotel, restaurant, casino management many years ago. I've worked in some restaurants. I've worked in some hotels. And I've worked in some casinos too, but not as an employee. Pop Century and Disney on the menu. Ooh, I love that. I love that. They do have a good wine list at Lotus of Siam. It's true. They quietly have a good sommelier too. Yes. Which one did you hit, Sean? I knew you hit a good card when you weren't watching. And I know it was a Beat the Sword. Tell me what it was. Refresh my memory. I remember hitting something nice for you. I remember you were having a bad night, and then you left, and you went to sleep, and then you hit something big, and I was thinking to myself, it's the No Look Mojo. Minty. Minty, I've been checking my mailbox, bro. I don't see it. Did I miss my opportunity, or are you not resending it again? Because I'm bad? No, I know. Did you send it again, Minty? Or we gave up on me? It was, but I have to make sure they're still there, GTM. Oh, okay. You haven't gotten it back yet. I thought you resent it already. I'm sorry, Minty. I was like, what the heck did I do? Piastri on the freshest. The multicolors here. A few regular refractors that I top loaded for you guys. The Piastri times 3 and the regular base of Piastri there. The numbered stuff, shall we? A lot of portraits in the purples, man. Purple had a great break. Purple spot did really good. Let's look at the aqua waves, greens, hot lavas, orange waves. It's okay, Minty. I thought that I missed it. I thought it was my fault. I mean, it is my fault. It is my fault. Aqua waves, greens, pinks, George Russell on the orange wave to 25, the F2 Constructor's Crest there, and then 2 variations, Valtteri on the car variation and Verstappen variation. So 2 variations for the Aussie here. And then we had two refractor autos, Arthur Leclerc and Stanek, and then Verscher on the gold auto. And then two other cards. I'm going to beat the sword on these two for our boy Yanni. We got a golden Turn Up the Lights rookie of Logan Sargent. That is a very, very difficult hit, Yanni. And then a golden Camber of Senna. So two nice gold non-autos there for Yanni. That was 6 boxes, the last of that case. We've got another case. I put it in the store. Topps Chrome F1. Pick your color number 38. Thank you, everybody, for joining. That was the break.